Welcome to this video. In this video, I will be designing this promotional flyer. Stay with me as I do that. Alright, this is our workspace. So the first thing I will do is to set up my background. Okay, I search for shoe. Pick up this, and transparency is already at 50, so it's okay like that. The next thing I do is to create the layout. Go to illustrations and search for gradient. Okay, I'll pick up this, change the entire color to black. Perfect. So I resize it to exactly what I want. Okay, I duplicate, change the color, take it back, and to take it back, adjust it. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Now I'll duplicate it again, rotate, take it up and adjust properly. Sit a bit to the right, up. Okay, very good. So I can create another shape that will be under. I'll now change the color to red after duplicating it. Now I import pictures. So which frame am I going to? Okay, let me use this frame. I need to start with the one at the center. I'm trying to centralize it. Okay, that's good. I duplicate, resize, take it to the right, take it behind, take it to back. Okay, I duplicate again to the other side and also take it to the back. Very good. So now I start importing the pictures that I'll be using for the design. I'll still go to Canva library, or let me use a picture from my gallery. Go to Canva library, the last one, I use this picture here. So this is it. You can use the picture the client sends to you for any design. So now it's the business name. Let me use this font type, Poppins bold. So I edit my text. So this is an imaginary business name for the purpose of this video. Good. Resize adjust the spacing, centralize. Very good. Duplicate. I'll edit the text, men and women. Very good. Resize, and also change the color. I think 30 will do. Okay, then I'll change the color. Centralize. Good. I duplicate this before then. Let me adjust. Yes. So let me do something. Take it to back. Start changing the color. Take it to back. Good. Duplicate this and change the color to white. Edit. So I'm going to input the contact. Okay. I think the numbers are not complete. Okay. Go to illustrations and search for call icon. Let me use this. Let's change the color to black and white. Resize it and drag it down. Yes. So let me search for the order here button. This is what I have, but I need to change the color to red, and then the text should be in white, all white. Yes. So I resize it, adjust. I need to resize again. Very good. So this is what I have. If there is a logo, you import and place at the top. I'm saving to gallery now. Done. So to create this mockup, create another page, change the color, then I import the saved image, adjust it to the center. Then I bring up the drop shadow. It's in my gallery already. You can download that from Google in PNG. That is to say transparent without background. So we adjust it properly. And we're good to go. So this is all about the flyer. Thank you very much for watching, and go design amazing flyers.